Action Jackson. We are getting ready to do the backsplash in the kitchen and working on layout and how we want to handle, you know, where we start and where we cut and all that kind of stuff, so that it looks like we want it to look when we get in this area above the stove. Even though the stove has this that sticks way up, it hides a lot of it, but we wanted to make sure we got as much as we could. So that's what we're doing. We're laying it all out and getting it ready to roll.
So this will be the before, and then we'll come back with the after. What do you anticipate is going to be the hardest part?
This wall, cutting around all these little things and the plug. This wall is going to be the hardest part.
Okay.
I think. Famous last words.
Okay. We'll be back when it's maybe almost complete. Maybe we'll do midpoint, or we'll come back when it's finished.
Probably not. We'll probably just do it and then they'll get to see it when it's done.
When it's all done. Okay.